Kiewitz. So this is an awesome client that I was brought into the mix from an artist who was also, I guess, an art dealer at one point. And the designer installed this and it was a friggin' hot mess. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but the very top of it has these keyhole slots. Not a good idea because everything has to be perfect. So Bill is gracious enough, my client's name, that's about all I can reveal, just to kind of let me go with it, right? So I bypassed the keyhole slots. I got these 200 or 180 pound tensile strength heavy duty zip ties. And then, you know, my proprietary little bolt design idea. And everything fell into place. The original design, the gap was 9 inches. It looked like a disaster. Plus it was out of kilter. So now, and you can even see it now, how the sunlight's picking up the gold, or I would imagine that that's brass or bronze, and it's popping with the gold on the piece. But that's what it's all about, ladies and gents. Do it right or don't fucking do it. I'm out.